Hi, my name is May. I'm 17 years old and currently live in Tipperary. I first heard of Work It Out through my mom. We went to our first introduction together in Roscrea. It was very intriguing and very different from everything else, which made me want to stay. But then lockdown happened, so everything moved online, which was just as well because it was very well organized, accessible, and lots of fun. The overall experience was very enjoyable. It was very positive. Everyone was so kind. I got a better understanding about life and life after school. I got a lot of new input and ideas from others. I also got to give my own ideas, which was very nice. I learned a lot and I think this is a great program. Even though you know what you want to do after school, I would recommend this program because you get a lot of new skills, such as listening to others, helping people, interacting with people, and also planning, preparing. It's really lots of fun as well, so I encourage younger people my age to join. Thanks. Bye.